Hello students, in this video we are going to solve 8 to the power x plus 27 to the power x and divide by 12 to the power x plus 18 to the power x, which is equals to 7 over 6. Here we will find out the value of x and x belongs to real number. Look carefully, we have given a exponential form. Here 8 to the power x, and we know that 8 is same as 2 power 3 and 27 is 3 to the power 3 and 12 is 2 power 2 times 3 and 18 is 3 power 2 times 2. Now replace 8 by 2 to the power 3, then here 2 to the power 3 bracket power x plus replace this 27 is 3 to the power 3, so here 3 to the power 3 bracket power x and divide by replace this 12 is 2 to the power 2 times 3, so here 2 to the power 2 times 3 and bracket power x plus replace this 18 is 3 to the power 2 times 2 bracket power x and which is equals to 7 over 6. Now in numerator we will apply this rule, a to the power m bracket power n which is equals to a to the power n bracket power m. If we apply this rule in numerator, then this numerator is 2 to the power x bracket power 3 plus 3 to the power x bracket power 3. And in denominator, first we will apply this rule, which is a times b bracket power m which is equals to a to the power m times b to the power m. If we apply this rule in denominator part, then 2 to the power 2 bracket power x times 3 to the power x plus, and this expression is 3 to the power 2 bracket power x times 2 to the power x and which is equals to 7 over 6. Now in numerator is 2 to the power x bracket power 3 plus 3 to the power x bracket power 3 and divide by, in denominator here and here, if we apply this rule, then this number is 2 to the power x bracket power 2, 2 to the power x bracket power 2 is multiplied by 3 to the power x, 3 to the power x plus, and this number if we apply this rule, then this is 3 to the power x bracket power 2, 3 to the power x bracket power 2 and multiplied by 2 to the power x and which is equals to 7 over 6. Now here we will apply substitution, and if we substitute 2 to the power x which is equals to m and 3 to the power x which is equals to n, then 2 to the power x is replaced by m, then in numerator m power 3 plus and 3 to the power x is replaced by n, then here n power 3 and divide by 2 to the power x is replaced by m, then m square times and 3 to the power x is replaced by n, then here n plus and this 3 to the power x is replaced by n, then n square times and 2 to the power x is replaced by m and which is equals to 7 over 6. We know that in numerator we have sum of two cubes, and we know that formula of sum of two cubes, which is a cube plus b cube equals to a plus b times a square plus, sorry, here minus a times b plus b square. Then this numerator part is m plus n is multiplied by m square minus m times n plus n square and divide by, look carefully in denominator part, if we take common m times n, then you will get here m plus n, and which is equals to 7 over 6. Look carefully, this m and this n is positive because m is 2 to the power x and n is 3 to the power x. Here we will talk about only real solutions. So 2 to the power x is always positive, and this 3 to the power x is always positive if x is belongs to real number. So it means m plus n cannot be equals to 0 because m and n not are equals to 0. So here we can say m plus n not equals to 0. It means this and this is cancel out. Now in numerator part we have m square minus m times n plus n square over m times n, which is equals to 7 over 6. If we apply cross multiply, then in left hand side 6 times m square minus m times n plus n square, which is equals to 7 times m n. This 6 is multiplied by inside the bracket, then in left hand side you will get 6 times m square minus 6 times m n plus 6 times n square, and which is equals to 7 times m n. Now if we take all the expression in same side, then you will get 6 times m square minus 6 times m n plus 6 times n square minus 7 times m n, and which is equals to 0. Now if we add like fractions, and 6 times m square plus 6 times n square and minus 6 times mn, and this is minus 7 times mn is minus 13 times mn, and this is equals to 0. We have here n square, 6 times m square plus 6 times n square minus 13 times mn, and this is equals to 0. Now if we divide both sides n square, then in left hand side here n square, here n square, and here n square. This n square and this n square is cancel out. M square over n square, which is 6 times m over n whole square plus 6 minus here 13 times m n over n square is n times n, and this is equals to 0. Now this n and this n is cancel out, then here 6 times m over n square plus 6 minus 13 times m over n. Now here we will apply again substitution, and if we substitute m over n, which is equals to y, then 6 times y square plus 6 minus 13 times y, and this is equals to 0. In left hand side we have a quadratic equation. Here we will factorize this quadratic equation and find out the value of y. We have 6 times y square minus 13 times y plus 6, and this is equals to 0. 6 times y square minus 13 times y is same as minus 9 times y minus 4 times y plus 6, and this is equals to 0. Look carefully first two terms. Here if we take common 3 times y, then you will get 2 times y minus 3, and look carefully these two terms, if we take common minus 2, then you will get 2 times y minus 3, and this is equals to 0. We have 2 times y minus 3, and here 2 times y minus 3 is common. If we take 2 times y minus 3 is common, then you will get 3 times y minus 2, and this is equals to 0. We know that product of two numbers is 0. M times n is 0. then m is equals to 0 or n is equals to 0. This implies m is equals to 0 or n is equals to 0. Now if you apply this rule, then you can say 2y minus 3 this is equals to 0 or 3y minus 2 this is equals to 0. We have 2y minus 3 this is equals to 0 or 3y minus 2 which is equals to 0. Here value of 2 times y is equals to 3 over 2. Sorry, value of y is 3 over 2 and here value of y is 2 over 3. Now we know that y is m over n. So this y is replaced by m over n and this is equals to 3 over 2 and this y is replaced by m over n and this is equals to 2 over 3. And recall, we know that value of m is 2 power x and value of n is 3 to the power x. So this m is replaced by 2 to the power x over n is replaced by 3 to the power x. This is equals to 3 over 2. And here this m is replaced by 2 to the power x and this n is replaced by 3 to the power x. This is equals to 2 over 3. Here if we take power 1 and 2 to the power x over 3 to the power x is same as 2 over 3 bracket power x and this is equals to 2 over 3 bracket power 1. Now we compare both sides, then you will get x is equals to 1. So this is our first answer. And here in left hand side 2 to the power x over 3 to the power x, this is same as 2 over 3 bracket power x and which is equals to 3 over 2. Now 2 over 3 bracket power x which is equals to 3 over 2 is same as 2 over 3 bracket power minus 1. Now we compare both sides, then you will get x is equals to minus 1. Here we have two possible values of x. First value of x is minus 1 and second value of x is 1.